Welcome to Sual Pangasinan! Bago ang lahat, shoutout nga pala kay Janet Lalikbal. Hi tita, kumusta kayo dyan? At sa nag-iisa kong kaibigan na si Noelin Hayakawa na andyan sa Kuwait. Tara na, samahan nyo ngayon kami na libutin itong Sual Pangasinan at pakita sa inyo ang ganda ng Pangasinan. Tara! Bakit tinawag na Sual itong lugar na ito? Dahil dati daw itong Pangasinan Zoo at ang nag-aalaga ay si Al, kaya ito tinawag na Sual.
Desmond takes a trolley to the jewelry store, buys a 20-carat golden ring, takes it back to Molly waiting at the door, and as he gives it to her she begins to sing. Oh, Betty, oh, Betty, life goes on. The children lend a hand. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with the band. Oh, Betty, oh, Betty, life goes on. La la la, the life goes on. Oh, Betty, oh, Betty, life goes on. La la la, the life goes on. In a couple of years they have built a home sweet home, with a couple of kids running in the yard, listening to Molly Jones. Hey, happy ever after in the marketplace, Molly lets the children lend a hand. Desmond stays at home and does his pretty face, and in the evening she still sings it with the band.